Greetings everyone, Jim here from Storm Warning News, and another quake has struck Taiwan. This one is a 7.2 after a 6.4, 6.6 previously. Now a tsunami warning has been issued by the U.S. authorities after this Mag 7.2 quake struck off the east coast of Taiwan, with initial reports of shaking felt in Taipei. The tremors from the powerful quake could be felt across Taiwan, the country's weather bureau said. Now look at this. This is massive.
整个桥都断了啦，现在是怕说桥上的车子麻烦呢。哇，这几个路拢下了了去啊。刚才摇得很厉害，大概7、8级有的啦。现在是怕说，刚才桥上有车子啊。OK。
This will be a gymnasium ceiling collapsing here. Unbelievable, startling. Okay, so this is two. We had the 6.4/6.6 that was yesterday. We have this 7.2 today. In Taiwan, is this just naturally occurring, or is there something else at play here? You can let your mind wander as far as what, who else could, I will say could, because I don't know, be responsible for this. The H word, the C word, got to be careful what I say, or is just this a naturally occurring event? This is Jim signing off. Please keep these people in your prayers, and God bless you.